What's up, guys? I'm here at Menards and I saw this toolbox. It's a pretty nice little toolbox there, guys. It's $5.29. Nice little leather. Not bad. You know, I'm just throwing this out there in case you got a Menards around you and you don't want to buy a snap-on box or one of them, pay $1,000 for it. It's a nice little box. It's got on both sides, got cabinets on both sides. Put stuff in there. I don't see a power strip, guys, but you know, it is what it is. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 drawers. 9 drawers. It's not a bad box. Masterforce. It's not a bad box, guys. Ball bearings. And it's, you see that? It's got the locks. There, shoot, got the locks. So, it's not bad, guys. It's not bad at all. So that is the Masterforce right there, Command Center, $5.29. I like it. I like it, but I'm not in the market right now for a toolbox. So that's why I shoot the videos, so you guys can see what's out there. You know, I'm at Menards and I saw that and I said, man, I gotta shoot a video on that. So it's on wheels. It does have locks on the wheels. See the locks? You know, it's nice, guys. It's not a bad looking toolbox. Not bad. Let me see. Not too bad, guys. I mean, for the money, can't beat it. So this is the Masterforce Command Center, 8 drawer, 36 inches. It's a nice box. Nice box. Alright, guys. Till the next time, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Till the next time, guys. Bye-bye.